Yay, welcome to Skydive St. Louis. Jump number 2, welcome back.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous day out. You already know what's going to happen, but we're going to get in this bird, go all the way up to 10,000 feet, about 2 miles. We're going to jump out, go 120 miles an hour down, pull the parachute halfway. You get to control it for a while. Have some fun under that. We'll be back on Earth over there. Here's.
All right.
Let's do it, my man. Yeah. Ooh.
I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go.
Hi.
I know.
Nice, brother.
All right.
Yeah, man.
To get away.
Put on this left arm for now.
All right.
They are up there to the left.
Come on.
Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Woo! Yeah, man. Jump number 2.
Yeah.
How's
That was awesome. Still a little unnerving. Oh, excuse me, coming out of the airplane.
that?
But,
Yeah.
you know.
Crazy, ain't it?
Oh, God.
Yeah,
It was a blast.
You rocked it out, man. Way to go. Thanks for coming out again.
Absolutely.
Woo! Hope to see you soon.